Okay, and we live. What's up, Shadow Twerkers? It's Simone, and I'm back with another bi-weekly video. So this video is going to be for Scorpio. Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising. If you're new to the channel, my name is Simone, and here we're creating tarot videos, affirmation videos, meditation music. So if you're interested in any of those things, please make sure to subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any new videos, alright? So let's get right into your video, Scorpio. Right into your video. Let me close this notebook because it's like distracting me. So I want to do a better job at like picking titles for these videos. Ooh, excuse me, I've been sitting here for a minute. Feeling restless. So you could be feeling restless, but I'm feeling like deep thought. Loyal customers. First card out. Loyal customers. So it's kind of quiet. 1 to 3 years. I feel like either you, Scorpio, have been really quiet, or things with business have been really quiet. But then at the same time, I don't feel like it's in lack. Oh, wow. You are the one at the bottom. I don't feel like you're like lacking in any way. I feel like you had enough loyal customers to last you like 1 to 3 years without you having to like go out and find anybody new. Like, you don't really, like, it's almost like you don't really have to do like more marketing, or you don't really have to like go out of your way to try to find more people to get more money or more clients or more customers. Like, either you are so loyal or your customers are so loyal that you don't have to worry about that as much as maybe the next person does. Let's see, what else do we have for Scorpio? Winner. That's what, oh. And then side hose at the bottom, but winner with the heart. So I feel like you're winning at something, Scorpio. Side hoes are heartbroken. Yeah, well, they can do that, but I feel like the side hoes are like your competition, or like people in, I'm gonna just say your competition. I feel like they're your competition, and I feel like they're heartbroken at the fact that you're winning and that you don't have to try hard. Because I'm feeling, like I said, like I feel kind of restless. Like I kind of want to just kind of get up and do something, or get up and go somewhere, but I don't really have to. I don't really need to. Loyal customers. I feel like you just chilling for the most part. Like I feel like you're in a space of receiving, Scorpio, or you're waiting for something, or you're watching something. I feel like whatever it is, though, it's getting you excited. So I feel like whatever this 1 to 3 years is for you, I feel like you've been watching something for 1 to 3 years, or you've been waiting for something for 1 to 3 years, or you've been working on this business for 1 to 3 years. Let me see, there's too many cards. Loyal customers. But whatever it is, you are certainly winning. Wow, the Fool. So there's a lot of new customers, a lot of new loyal customers, or a lot of new people wanting to go on this journey with you, or to do something with you, to work. I'm gonna just say to work with you, because we have loyal customers. Then we have the 5 of Cups at the bottom of the deck, and the Moon in reverse. So I feel like with these 2 cards, I feel like you're revealing, or you're uncovering something that emotionally appeals to people, that speaks to them in this low place, or when they're feeling this 5 of Cups energy, when they're in that space. Matter of fact, I think this is your energy. The Five of Cups. But whenever they're focused on loss, you're finding a way to help them through that. Like, to help them through feeling this way. Like, you're uncovering secrets on how to be more happy, or how to have these new beginnings, or how to have more loyal customers, or how to build something. I feel like how to bounce back. Like, I'm hearing like bounce back from something. Like, secrets on how to bounce back, or secrets on how to get past something, or to get through something. Yeah, something that's unclear to people. I feel like other people don't know how to do this, and I feel like you do, Scorpio, because I feel like you've been through it. Again, this is your energy, so it's something that you just naturally do, or you just naturally know. You just naturally know these secrets, and you're sharing them with people, or you're inviting people to learn, or to go on this journey with you, where you teach these unclear concepts. Because, yeah, people don't know how to grow past this point, or past this situation. People don't know how to move on, and I feel like you do, and you're communicating news, and you're guiding people to breaking these traditional ways of doing things. And I feel like you're getting a lot of loyal customers, because you're showing them this new path, or this new option, or this new way of being. They're like, damn, like, Scorpio went through this too. Scorpio saw this. Like, you went through this, and you are the way that you are now. Like, you are winning. How did you do that? Can you show me? Can you teach me? 1 to 3 years. How many cards is that? 3 cards. I'll take it. We have the 7 of Wands, the Page of Swords, and the 3 of Cups. So I feel like with the 7 of Wands, I'm going to say that this is that 3-year period. Let's say it was 3 years for you, Scorpio. It could be plus or minus, energy and time work fluidly for people, so it works a little differently, but let's use this as an example. Let's say the first year you started this business, or you started this idea, or this journey, of teaching or showing people this new way, right? And you yourself didn't even know the way. Like, you were really defensive. You had to fight through some things. You had to learn some things. You had to get through some things that were kind of blocking you, kind of in your way. Like, you learned all of these barriers. So let's say there are 10 barriers, not 10. Let's say there are 7 barriers to get through in order to be where you are now, right? And you're sharing these 10 barriers. You're like, all right, look, this is how you get stick 1. Okay, you use stick 1 to smack the shit out of stick 2, get stick 2 in line. You know what I'm saying? So you're sharing this information, you're communicating this information, again, because it's something that you've been through. It's something that you connect to. It's something that you know. Like, you just know. I feel like some of it you may just know, and you don't know how you know, but you just know, and just communicating that too is enough. But then you're working through communication with the Page of Swords reverse, and you're communicating these messages and these ideas to people. And again, they could be unclear to start, or they could be kind of all over the place to start. But I feel like the more that you do it, the more that you communicate, the more that you work on this thing for 1 to 3 years, the more easy it becomes for you. Like, I feel like it becomes more like a second nature. Like, you just know, and now you know how to communicate. Now you know how to share. Now you know how to pull somebody else through that dark place or that dark situation, and you're being celebrated for it, or people are wanting to celebrate you or wanting to work with you, because they're like, you're doing exactly what I want to do, Scorpio, and I want you to show me. I want you to teach me. I want to learn what it is that you are doing. And I feel like you're sharing that. You're sharing your journey, is what it feels like. You're sharing your journey with your customers. Wow, and then the Empress at the bottom of the deck. So it's like, yeah, you went through all this bullshit, and then you got to level up. And now that you have leveled up, or you're at this new level, you can communicate with people. You can help them defeat their demons. by communicating with them on how to manifest, how to do these things, how to, you know, how to get to where it is that they want to go. Let's pull a card for winter for Scorpio. And then with side hoes, I feel like one of two things or both. I feel like you have so many different things that you've been through, so many different challenges that you've overcome, that's another way that you're winning, is because all of these people are like, you know, like, you went through so much heartbreak, Scorpio. You went through so many terrible times. Like, how is it that you're even still standing? How are you still standing after falling off the cliff over and over and over and over, after being the fool over and over? How are you able to do it? How are you able to still win, Scorpio? Is what they're asking, what they're wanting to know, what they're wanting you to share. Hey. Let's pull a card for winter for Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising. Alright, so yeah, we have the Five of Swords reversed. And then the Six of Pentacles. So yeah, you're sharing your story. You're sharing what it is that you had to fight through, who it is that walked away from you, why they had to walk away, why you had to walk away, why you had to defend yourself in certain situations, why you had to speak in certain ways, in certain situations. And now you get to celebrate, or now you get to exchange with people. You get to share your experience in a way that benefits you and them. That's nice. Yeah, Queen of Pentacles. So yeah, it's taking care of all your financial needs now. Like, you don't really have to do anything for real, I feel like, but to share your story and to keep doing what it is that you're doing, to keep elevating, to keep growing, to keep making new partnerships and new connections, and releasing, wow, with this heartbroken behind side hose, with releasing this heartbreak, or releasing these hard or tragic experiences that you've gone through, Scorpio, and really transmuting that energy into showing people the way, into being the light, into being the fool. That's awesome. All right, I'm gonna leave that there. Let's pull an advice card for you, Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising. Wow, you're snoring kind of loud. He's still going. But advice for Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising. I really like this for you, Scorpio. If this resonates with you, definitely leave me a comment and share your story with me. What is it that you're overcoming, or what is it that you've overcome that you can share with someone to empower them, or to show them the way on like how to get through? Let's see. Wow, take time to breathe out. Take time to breathe. I really feel like something was so heavy, or there were a lot of things that were so heavy on you, Scorpio. Maybe for a long time, you didn't even know how to talk about it with the Page of Swords in reverse. Like, you didn't even know that you can share your stories in this way, in a way that empowers you. Like, maybe a disempowering situation, you're learning how you can share it in a way that not only empowers you, but empowers other people. Whatever the situation is that you went through, or you've gone through for 1 to 3 years, or you're working through, it may take you 1 to 3 years to work through this energy, or to learn and grow through this energy. But I definitely see you doing it. And I feel like, damn, first of all, I feel like it's a lot. And then second, I feel like once you start exchanging that information with other people, once you start sharing that with other people, again, in a way that empowers you, you're changing your life for the better. Like, you're taking more control, and you're operating from a space of control and power rather than fear. Be bold and make the first move is your second piece of advice. And then step out of your comfort zone is at the bottom of the deck. So take time to breathe out and be bold and make the first move. You can do this, Scorpio. Like, you can do this. I do feel like whatever your weights are, or these side hoes, or I don't even want to say side hoes, but these different situations and different scenarios, these different things that have been going on in your life or have gone on in your life to a point where they were traumatic for you, or they were hard for you, or they were challenging for you. You're transmuting all of that energy, and you're turning it so that you benefit. And that's a lot of energy work. So definitely make sure that you're breathing. You know, inhale all the shit that you want. Like, I'm inhaling prosperity, I'm inhaling abundance, I'm inhaling courage, wisdom, whatever it is that you need. And I'm exhaling my fears. I'm exhaling anxiety. I'm exhaling this trauma. You know, like, practice stuff like that, Scorpio. But definitely keep moving. Be bold and make that first move, and just keep going. So I'm going to leave that there. That is what I have for you today, Scorpio. If you've enjoyed this reading, please make sure to like the video, comment on the video, definitely share your stories with me. Let me know what it is that you're going through, what it is that you're working through, and, you know, we could talk about it. But yeah, if you need a personal reading, information for that is also in the description box below. So yeah, you can do it. You can do it for sure. Like, I fucking believe in you. But yeah, you are truly legendary. I love you, and I will see you later.